Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how to put in a slides or a PowerPoint presentation into your Jamboard. You could also put in Word docs or Google Docs, Excel sheets, anything that's in your drive, you should be able to insert it using this method. So obviously we all have our own things that we use, that we've used for years, that we've made, that we like, and we want to be able to use them. And I've noticed that people want to use them with Jamboard because it's nice. You can have the students write on them while you're in class. You can present from them. The students can look at them after class and have access to them. It's a nice product to use, but Google hasn't really made it super easy to insert them. So if you're on your computer, you may try and come over to this little add image area and add something to your drive from here because it has select from your device. It also has Google Drive. But you'll notice in there that it only lets you add images. So there is, you could work around that maybe and download specific slides or docs or quizzes as images, but you'd have to do each page individually and that would take a while. So the better, faster option is going to be to download Jamboard onto your smartphone or tablet. So over here on the right, you'll notice that I'm mirroring my phone and I've downloaded Jamboard on my phone. So if I click on Jamboard, and that I'm doing with my phone, I'm not using my mouse to click. It's just mirroring to my screen. So you're just seeing it. I can't actually manipulate it with my computer. And then if I click on a jam from here, you'll notice that there's this plus sign at the bottom right. And I'm going to click that plus sign. And then the second item on the menu is Drive Content. So if I click Drive Content, it's going to pull up this menu, and then I can click My Drive, and I can select a slide presentation. Once you've clicked on it, it'll turn blue, and you can click Select at the bottom. And now you'll notice that in my Jamboard over here, I have that slide. Again, on the computer, the only option I have if I click the three dots is to delete it. I can't make it bigger, I can move it around, and I can delete it, and that's it. And notice that when I move it over here, it also moves on my phone. It's a little lagged or delayed because it's going from there to my phone and then from my phone to my computer. It would move faster in real life, but you can see that that's how that works. If on my phone, I click the three dots, now I have this menu open that has an expand option. And if I click expand, notice how on my phone it got bigger. What I can do is I can click and drag with my finger those individual slides out as images now. So I'm just clicking with my finger and pulling it out. So there's something to know. I accidentally did this. Notice that it was set to pen, so it drew a line as I did that. So if I undo, I'm going to hit undo. And if I change it over to the select tool. Now if I click and drag, it's pulling it out as an image without the line, which is a nice thing. What I can do now is I can come to the second page and I could upload that again and I could put the second slide on that page if I wanted to. You can also put multiple into one slide by just, again, clicking the three dots, expanding, and you can just pull out and see how I can scroll through. I can pull out the different slides. When you're done, there's a little X. I know, unfortunately, this isn't great quality because I'm going through multiple devices, but at the top left of that slide, there's going to be an X. You can click that X to bring it back down small, and then either from your phone or on your computer, if you click on it and click the three dots, you can delete that because you don't need the actual slide presentation because you can't make it bigger or really interact with it. So now I can just make this bigger by clicking on it and pulling these circles at the edges. With the three dots, you can duplicate it, delete it, or if you want things to be in front of each other, I don't know if that would work so much with notes, but if you're doing some kind of manipulative or interactive activity, you might want to do that. So you can bring it forward and backwards. You can also, again, if it wasn't a slide, if it was something else, you can rotate it. And so that's how you can insert a slide or a Word document into your Jamboard.